Good morning. Today's topic is tax and money exchange. It is taken from the course of class 10 and this tax is also related in class 9. Value added tax, that is called VAT. VAT is a tax which we pay when we buy either goods or services. It is also imposed on the selling price. VAT rates are different in different countries. In our country, 13% is VAT rate. SP including VAT means the price paid by the buyer or customer for an article including the VAT over the SP is called the net SP or SP with VAT. This is the final price a buyer has to pay, and you keep in mind always VAT is charged on the SP and SP becomes after discount. If there is no discount, then direct MP is called SP, and after adding VAT on SP it becomes SP with VAT. In this lesson we marked price is the price fixed by the wholesaler, retailer or manufacturer. It is also called fixed price, label price, list price, bill price, etc. And discount is the amount which is given on the marked price. It means marked price minus selling price is discount. Here monogram is shown here. Marked price minus discount gives selling price minus VAT gives price with VAT. Cost price minus loss gives selling price. Selling price plus profit gives cost price. This chart makes you easy to learn the formula. When you forget, you keep in your mind.
Formula: profit equals to SP minus CP. Loss equals to CP minus SP. Profit percent, profit by CP into 100. Loss percent, loss by CP into 100. SP equals to 100 plus profit percent into CP divided by 100. And when loss percent given, 100 minus loss percent into CP divided by 100. CP equals to 100 into SP divided by 100 plus profit percent, or 100 into SP divided by 100 minus loss percent. Formula for MP, discount, SP and VAT is given in this chart. You can learn from this chart.
Okay, see the students. Yeah, after allowing 16% discount on the mark price of an article and leaving 13% value added tax, the price of the article becomes rupees 9,492. Now solution is given here and you can understand tax percent given 13% and discount is 16%. Now we know that SP with VAT equals to 9,492 given. Now we can apply the formula SP with VAT. In simple way we can write SP plus VAT percent of SP. Now keep the value of SP with VAT. SP of VAT is 9,492 is equals to SP plus 13% of SP. That means 9,492 equals to. After taking LCM, you will get 100 plus 13 into SP by 100. That is SP equals to, now after cross multiplying, 9,492 into 100 divided by 113. That gives 8,400. That is your SP. 8,400 is your SP. And discount is 16%. Now again we can apply the formula of SP. SP equals to MP minus discount percent of MP. The SP given 8,400. After calculating you will get MP equals to 10,000. Again VAT. VAT equals to VAT percent of SP. Already we have calculated VAT is equals to VAT percent of SP and we calculated SP equals to 8,400. That means 13% of 8,400, it yields 1,092 rupees. That is your answer. Because according to your question saying find the mark price and the amount of VAT. The mark price equals to how much you found? Mark price is equals to 10,000 and VAT equals to 9,000. Sorry, VAT equals to 1,092. Next example. A sold a machine to B at rupees 11,000 excluding VAT. B sold the same machine to C with a profit of rupees 2,000. Adding rupees 500 local tax and rupees 1,200 transportation charge. Find the amount of VAT that C has to pay to B. If the rate of VAT is 13%, also find how much VAT amount does B get back. Here, tax, transportation charge, VAT percent, all are included, and cost of machine excluding VAT is 11,000 given. Now solution, cost price paid by B. First of all, we have to calculate. The selling price received by A excluding VAT equals to rupees 11,000. Now net cost price paid by B is equals to 11,000 plus local tax plus transportation charge, that gives 12,700. While selling it to C, selling price equals to 12,700 cost price plus profit is 2,000, that gives 14,700. VAT applicable amount for C is 14,700 and VAT amount 13% of 14,700 is 1,911. Again, VAT amount to be returned back to B, 13% of 11,000, which was cost price paid by B. That a man bought a machine for rupees 20,000. He paid rupees 800 transportation charge, rupees 1,200 local tax, and wants to make a profit of rupees 2,000. Find marked price, selling price if 5% discount is given, VAT amount if VAT is 13% is added. Now see how to do such type of problem. First of all, here given the cost of machine is 20,000 and net CP means net cost price, it becomes after adding say 20,000 plus 800 transportation charge plus 1,200 local tax and plus profit, which gives 24,000. Now while selling it to customer, marked price became 24,000. Marked price became 24,000. Now 5% of 24,000, that is discount, is equals to 1,200. The selling price became marked price minus discount amount. That means 24,000 minus 1,200 is equals to 22,800. Now VAT amount equals to VAT percent of SP, 13% of 22,800, which gives 2,962. Sorry, 2,964. Now the students, such type of problems you can search from your textbook or practice book and practice more and more.